This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 315BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 9, water heater, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, external shower, stove top burner, spare tire kit, air conditioning, awning, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 315BH is 7,980 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.